An earthquake warning has been issued for the following counties in California: Jefferson County until July 21, 2026 at 11:59 p.m. At 3 p.m. today, a shock was recorded on the coast of Jefferson County. This shock was recorded to be an 8.6 magnitude. Vacate the premises of your home. An amber alert has been issued for all of Minnesota. An amber alert has been issued for all of Minnesota. 5 amber alert has been issued for all of Minnesota. 5 amber alert has been issued for all of Minnesota. 5 amber alert has been issued for all of Minnesota. 5 amber alert has been issued for all of Minnesota. 5 amber alert has been issued for all of Minnesota. 5 amber alert has been issued for The United States government has issued a civil danger warning for the United States until further notice. There have been multiple reports of people falling through the ground and ending up in a supposed second dimension. Scientists still have no explanation as to why, but they are working as hard as they can. Stay tuned to a local news station for more information.
This message comes from the Liminal Nexus Institute. We understand that the past may has been a struggle, and we apologize to everyone. The Liminal Nexus Institute is a clandestine research organization that operates at the fringes of reality. Our mission, to explore the hidden seams of existence, the forgotten corners of the universe, and the interstitial spaces that defy conventional understanding. Our most enigmatic project, the construction of the Backrooms, a sprawling, otherworldly labyrinth accessible through secret portals. Founding and purpose, founded in the late 19th century by the enigmatic polymath, Dr. Thaddeus Evergreen, it emerged from a convergence of esoteric knowledge, forbidden texts, and a burning curiosity about the liminal spaces that exist between dimensions. Dr. Evergreen believed that reality was a mere facade, concealing deeper layers of existence. His obsession with the in-between led him to assemble a team of brilliant misfits, each possessing unique talents: physicists, occultists, mathematicians, and artists. The Backrooms project, our greatest achievement, was the Backrooms, a trans-dimensional construct that defied the laws of physics and sanity. Dr. Evergreen theorized that the Backrooms existed in the interstices of reality, a place where the mundane bled into the surreal. He envisioned it as a repository of forgotten memories, lost dreams, and discarded thoughts. The Backrooms were designed to be a refuge for those who accidentally stumbled upon them, an escape from the harshness of the real world. But they quickly became something more, a living, breathing entity with its own rules and malevolent inhabitants. Secret portals, our discovered ancient sigils and ley lines that acted as gateways to the Backrooms. These portals were hidden in abandoned buildings, forgotten subway tunnels, and desolate forests. The Backrooms beckoned the curious, drawing them into its honeycomb of yellow-looked corridors. Some entered intentionally, seeking answers; others stumbled in by accident. The architects, our architects, brilliant minds like Dr. Isidore Luck, quantum physicist, Ezekiel Crowe, occult historian, and Lyra Voss, dimensional artist, designed the Backrooms. Architecture. Each level of the Backrooms was meticulously crafted. Level 0, the monotonous yellow hallways. Level 1, the damp, moldy rooms. Level 2, the buzzing fluorescent chambers. And beyond, uncharted realms. The dilemma: as they delved deeper, they realized the backrooms were sentient. It hungered for souls, feeding off the lost and the disoriented. Dr. Evergreen wrestled with guilt. Had they created a sanctuary or a cosmic trap? Was the backrooms a reflection of humanity's collective subconscious? The veil of silence: we maintain secrecy at all costs. Governments, rival organizations, and reality-bending entities sought their knowledge. The veil of silence, an intricate web of misinformation and disinformation, shielded us from prying eyes. Legacy: Dr. Evergreen vanished within the backrooms, leaving behind cryptic journals and warnings. We continued its research, seeking answers about the backrooms, purpose and its connection to the fabric of reality. How to survive: explore carefully. The backrooms are filled with dangers and unknowns. Proceed with caution and avoid rushing into unfamiliar areas. Stay hydrated. Almond water can be found in levels 4, 5, and the negative levels. Boil it before drinking, if necessary, but be aware of potential negative side effects. Bring snacks. Having food with you can help maintain your energy and stamina while exploring the backrooms. Avoid unnecessary fights. Engaging in combat can be risky, so try to avoid confrontations whenever possible. Keep your guard up, even if an entity doesn't seem hostile. Always be prepared for the worst. Don't rely on eating or sleeping. You do not need to eat or sleep in the backrooms, but if you feel the need to, move to a different location quickly. Learn about different levels. There are many levels in the backrooms, each with its own environment, potential monsters, and survival ratings. Familiarize yourself with the levels to increase your chances of survival. The United States government has issued a government message. Please disregard the previous interruption. It was a hijacking from ISIS trying to strike fear into the American people. Regularly scheduled programming may continue.
This is our final transmission to the citizens of the United States. We regret to inform you that the so-called backrooms have made the universe highly unstable. Please spend your final moments with loved ones, while the universe is destroyed. We will now finish off with the national anthem. Thank you all for your cooperation. Goodbye.